Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's Style. I just want you guys to see this beautiful haircut that is so beautiful and is an excellent choice for women to show their even more beauty and enhancing their eyes and other features. One thing about this cut is that it's a haircut that looks beautiful with highlights like in warm tones, and this style requires that kind of cutting every 40 days to always maintain the shape. I just love the style because it's cheap and it always requires the minimal styling maintenance. One thing about the style is that it gives that great texture while leaving your sideburns lower and making the top longer, and you can see how the hairstyle looks so feminine, and it's that style that always add an extra oops factor like to this beautiful hairstyle. And one thing with the styling is that a styling paste is just go to really used to really style this coat. I love this haircut because it's also another great way to showcase your natural hair while removing bulk by creating short layers, because keeping the sides cut shorter and smooth always work best for African American beautiful women, as it always smooths down the smooth side. I just love this haircut because it's that kind of hairstyle you will not regret trying. It's a haircut that will complement all face shape and age group. It will always add interest to your short haircut, and you should know some women wear this kind of hairstyle because it will always make them look beautiful, and it will always create that seamless finish on their hair. This is also another good haircut that is lovely and is a low maintenance style that gives that kind of striking finish. So you will really want to let your hair air dry with gel or even the mold. So women with curly hair don't need a trim too often, because trimming the hair every 3 to 6 months will do. Remember that a sign that you need hair shaping might be excessive knoting or even dry hair. So don't forget to always moisturize your hair to maintain your hair health. With this in mind, let me let you guys please serve out the styles we have. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next I get the mic, go what do you I'm